It's Clean Kicks 973. I got a new release, of course. It's something that came out yesterday. It's the Jordan 5 with Grace. Look at that. It's clean. Look at the icy bottoms on them. Icy bottoms. 23 on the side. Comes with the gray laces. The tongue gray. Clean. Oh, the inside is that nice gray color. Versus blue grayish color. I got like almost a full size run through an 8.5 through a 12. So here's all the sizes I got here. It has the Jumpman on the back, of course. That leaf stock on it. Comes with the Foot Locker receipt. Original box. I ship USPS. Priority mail. I'm doing 200 on each pair. I still got the LeBron's Duckmans. If you're interested in them, still got a full size run in those too. So let me know what you think about these. I really love these. I really love these. So one more look at them again. So ship USPS 200.